Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five the subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our newest and most recent upcoming activities. So, alright, so for today's do-it-yourself fun PE game, it is called Flappy Bottle. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. You're not going to want to miss this game. Alright, so this game that we invented, Flappy Bottle, has 3 different levels. Today we're going to show you those 3 different levels. Set up for level 1. I have some tape over here, I have my cone, my hula, and my water bottle set up here. I got my 2 pairs of sock balls rolled up together to make my big one sock ball. Now for level 1, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to toss this sock ball, and I want it to land as close to the edge of the Frisbee. So then when it does, the water bottle flies in the air. When it's flying in the air, I would need to catch it. If I catch it, I get 2 points, okay? So hopefully I get it done. Step with your opposite foot forward. You're gonna swing your arm back and again, toss it. There you go, 2 points. So get ready to go. We're gonna do a 1-minute challenge, see how many times I can catch the water ball. Three, 2, 1, go. Alright, that's 2 points. Four points. All right, so we're moving on to level 2. Now level 2, what we have to do is still toss our sock ball and try to hit the Frisbee. Now we want the water bottle to land inside the basket. Every time the water bottle lands inside the basket, that's worth 3 points, okay? So that is the goal. 1, go. All right, level 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice, right up the back, 3 points for Jordan. Oh, if you guys are enjoying Flappy Bird, please make sure you guys high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification. Alright, so here we go. For level 3, we're going to combine a bunch of different levels together. So level 1, we tossed it, we hit the Frisbee, and then tossed the water bottle in the air. You can still catch it, that's worth 1 point. Now, if the water bottle lands inside the basket, that's going to be worth our 3 points like level 2. Either inside of the hula hoop, or it hits the hula hoop and then it goes out, that still counts, and that's going to be worth 5 points. At the buzzer, 5 points. It bounced inside of the hula hoop. Got 5 points on my last shot. 4, 3, 2, 1. And... Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Flappy Bottle. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
let us know what was your favorite part of the activity. What did you enjoy the most? We thank you guys for your love and support. As always, at the Pea Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.